Hey guys, this is the DK6 Plus. We are running it on the Nurburgring with the Audi A90, just like the previous tests. We're just going to use a decibel meter here to get an average first, without me talking. We are about 12 inches or so away from the actuator, and we're running at just above normal settings on the Nurburgring. As you can see, it's quite active. Having more stroke will also increase the noise of the system compared to the DK2, DK2 Plus. As you can see, kind of the peak or the average is about 55 or 57 decibels. Me just talking is about 60, 69 or so. Let's check the EMI here. So about 50, let's say about anywhere from 50 to 80 milligauss. That's the DK6 Plus.